So guys, I just wanted to tell you one thing. I'm not alone today. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 friends today with me. You want to meet them? Here you go. So meet John. I don't know, meet James.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog of That Valley Girl. Happy Canada Day first of all to everyone celebrating here in Canada Day, because it's 1st July and everyone is celebrating Canada Day today. As you have seen in my previous vlog, it was a long weekend, so today is a holiday and it's a Monday, and I am going on a date with myself today. Yes, you heard me right. Sometimes you need a date with yourself.
I hope I'll be your destination.
So guys, whoever is watching my vlogs, no matter what age, what gender, just try to spend one day either in 1 month or twice a month as per whatever the person can do. But trust me, pamper yourself that day and spend time with yourself, shop for yourself, you will feel the change. It's 11 a.m. right now and I'm super duper hungry. I need my coffee so badly. So there's one cafe that's Third Wave Coffee. It's like 500 meters from Union Station. So I decided to walk because 500 meters के लिए मैं क्या ही transit लेती. So I'm just walking and see how people are enjoying Canada Day. वरना मतलब बाकी countries में they prefer to stay at home, watch TV and stuff. But here they go out with their families, have beautiful breakfast and brunches and lunches. So I am super duper hungry because it's 11 a.m. So I left from home 10:15 baje and it took me like 30 to 35 minutes from the GO train to be here. So let's see how the new coffee
Yeah, I
house is.
know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
So I got their Colorado coffee, which was the famous one, and I got this cheese croissant. I wanted to have the pistachio one, but it was finished, so it's fine. I'm hungry, I can eat anything right now. Cheers to the coffee. It's the amazing coffee. Let's try the croissant. Oh my god guys, I am so full. I feel so bloated because that cheese croissant was so much cheesy. जैसे दुनिया का सारा चीज़ उसमें था. I'm not over exaggerating, trust me. Like I'm not able to put in words. Just feel me. What the cheese quantity was there. I tried to manage it, but मैंने सारा नहीं खाया because it was a lot for me. Anyway, now I am off to my next destination, which is, let's go together. Look at the beautiful flowers. They are so beautiful. I like the color a lot. What a beautiful fountain it is. Oh my god, this is so cute. I think it's a dog park or a pet park. I don't know, that's why the thing is like that. So guys, I just wanted to tell you one thing. I'm not alone today. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 friends today with me. You want to meet them? Here you go. So meet John. I don't know, meet James. Smith. I don't know. Okay, I might sound a little weird today, but this
Yeah,
is
I
a low
know
life.
that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your
I am so confused with the subway thing. I don't know. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है कि मैं उल्टा ना चली जाऊँ, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज ट्रैवल्ड सबवे विद इमरान. सो विद हस्बैंड यू नो यू डोंट हैव टू सी द आइटिनरी एंड थिंग. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. आई डोंट नो, आई एम so scared. So I have to get off at I don't know Eglinton West. Yeah, यहाँ पे मुझे उतरना है. I am at the Union, so I have to be out
I
here.
know that I hope I'll be your destination.
Eglinton Avenue, and I am just 5 minutes to that person's office place. Yes, I'm going to meet someone in the office. Like बाहर में office के बाद भी obviously we're gonna meet outside and eat lunch. But first I am going to the office. So I don't know how he's gonna react. Like you know, I told him that we are meeting, but office में ऐसे I don't know. He'll kill me for that. Okay, so one thing I wanna tell you. Can you see the lineup over there, like at the back? So there's a restaurant. It is named as Mandarin. It is free for today because of the Canada Day, and they gave me this as well. I think it's 45 years of Mandarin. Okay, I have been to Mandarin in my Eid vlog. So if you haven't watched that vlog, just watch that. And they gave me this as well. So obviously I'm not going to participate because I am in a rush. And just see the lineup. It's crazy. So let's go without further waiting.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me.
I'm in the building right now and I called Imran, and yes, I am meeting Imran. Obviously there's no date in my life except him, so I'm just waiting. And मैं इससे ज़्यादा access नहीं कर सकती because you know they have the cards and all for each floor. So I'm just waiting for him at the reception. Let me show you the reaction of Imran. So we have Mr. Imran Khan here. Imran, how do you like the surprise?
Surprise? What do you got this stuff?
Let's go outside, come. I know he's not comfortable in office. Did you like the surprise? Like surprise नहीं, Imran को पता थी obviously.
Canada Day.
It's Canada Day and Imran is working because Imran has a US something team, so that's why he cannot work. He cannot take off for today. And I am here for the first time outside Imran's
First
office.
time?
पता है मुझे कितना struggle हुआ subway में.
Right?
पता
Very
नहीं
just
Imran,
simple,
I am
straight.
so dependent on you. Like you know, I follow you, so
Oh.
I don't know.
You are dependent on me.
What did I say? Oh God, yeah, actually I'm
So let's
dependent.
do one thing. Let's go.
वो
for-
रील नहीं होती इमरान, हस्बैंड्स आगे चलते हैं और पीछे वाइफ, यू नो, विदाउट एनी
So let's go
problem.
for lunch.
लंच. वेयर कैन वी गो? व्हाट इज द बेस्ट थिंग हियर? मैंने croissant और वो लिया था कॉफी.
We can go to
it was so
place
cheesy, it
which
was-
is having a good non-veg and veg option.
and it should be halal non-veg. Okay, what is it?
It's Afri.
Here is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so here is something Afri.
Pick up this one or Tamasha is also a good option. But I think this is good.
So तुम्हें कितने टाइम के लिए तुम बाहर रह सकते हो?
Half an hour.
Because I have my own plans.
I go for half an hour because I have to go to meeting and then
Half an hour के बाद मीटिंग है. Okay, so
we have lunch and then let's see. Something like that.
done.
So let's see.
Let's go for Afri. I don't know how is it. Let's see. So it is closed for Canada Day. 4 PM से 9:30 PM तक ही ये खुलेगा. Oh God, Imran, can you just pull it? एक बार खोलना. वो वैसे तो close ही है.
No, I think this is good. This is
Oh
close.
shit, man. Afreen, we cannot have you for today.
So you have to go plan B.
What's the plan B?
Oh, you're coming back. Yeah, I know that.
So we are sitting here in Bindas Biryani. हो गया ये Bindas Biryani या नहीं?
Everything is bindas here.
First of all, they gave us the cold drink that is super duper hot, and the weather outside is hot.
But
So
that's ice cubes. Huh?
yeah, I told her to give ice cubes, and from last 10 minutes I'm waiting for the ice cubes, and it's nowhere. I don't know.
But this is
Imran, मुझे ये मिला.
normal. Huh?
They have a free lunch Mandarin में, and it's a free buffet.
So where is sitting here?
It's
Why
a big
did-
lineup. No, I don't know.
Let's see. But this is a good restaurant.
How
Go
do
good
you
in
know?
the restaurant.
But the sitting is pretty average. इतनी कुछ wow नहीं है. But let's
He
see.
is balanced, right? Okay.
She's not yet giving me the ice cube. She's serving everyone the thing, but not me the ice cube. I don't know why.
Because she knows you are free today.
She knows I'm free today. Maybe.
Huh? That's the
Let's
main
see
reason.
how the food is. I don't think the food will be good.
No, the food is good. We
मेरा
have
ना
two
सुबह
options.
से ही थोड़ा अजीब चल रहा है. मेरा जो वो croissant नहीं था चीज़ वाला, it was so cheesy. फिर मैंने उसके अंदर का चीज़ ही बाहर निकाल दिया.
Fillings,
I was not able to tolerate the cheesiness. Oh my god, it's way beyond cheese.
Let's see. Hope for the best. We have a couple of things.
Oh, you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's an
So we are done with the lunch and it's time to say goodbye to Mr. Imran Khan, which is going back to
Goodbye.
office. And
I
I'm
will see you after
3 hours?
2.5 hours.
Oh shit, 2.5 hours. He's going back. He
So
has
you can
some
go for
urgent
next
meetings.
year's what you call solo trip?
Yeah, I am on not a trip, Imran.
It's a trip, right?
Solo date. So
You can go for a solo trip.
yeah,
for
I
next
am
2.5
going.
hours.
So see you at 5? 5:30?
Before 5.
Before 5 or after 5?
Before 5. Yes.
Okay.
I
Bye
have a
bye.
couple of things planned. उसके बाद करके the next.
Okay.
You take your stuff. This is your.
I don't want to go. मैं तुम्हारे ऑफिस नहीं आ सकती ऊपर?
Your working. Culture hotel. You enjoy. You have your solo day, and I will see you after
3 hours?
almost 3 hours.
So I'm going
And
to
I will
Eden
see you
Center,
guys
okay?
once again, yeah.
Okay. Bye bye.
So enjoy. See you. Yeah. Bye guys. See you once again.
Okay, bye. So off to the next destination. So guys, now I am to my next destination, which is Eden Center, and I took a subway but opposite direction wali. I'm gonna drop off at Dundas, which is one stop before Union Station. I'm gonna shop little bit of things. I don't know. Let's see what are the things. So let's go to Eden Center.
Oh, you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a no.
So I badly need this shoe, either in the white or in the black. The Samba collection of new Adidas. I am so badly looking these shoes from so long, but again, I'm not getting the size. I'm getting the size 9 in this and the 10 in this. I don't know. मैं ना ये शूज़ इतने टाइम से ढूंढ रही हूँ ना, I swear, like you know this Samba shoes from Adidas. I don't know where can I get the right size. Online भी it's sold off, you know. I don't know. They are running really quick. I don't know. Everyone is on them right now. I am okay with the white one and black one as well, but I don't know. 9 size तो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा मेरे लिए. I don't know. If anyone knows where can I get these shoes, just let me know. You know what guys, Zara is having a sale right now and the store is super duper crazy. I try to get some of the stuff, but I don't know. The line is so much big. It's huge. And the store is a mess. Let me show you.
Oh, you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind.
So guys, I am done with the shopping and there was not much shopping. It was little of it because you guys saw Zara was crazy as hell. Oh my god, I don't know how people shop in this mess. I tried to get one t-shirt and got some perfumes for Imran. That's all for the day. And now I'm waiting for Imran to come. He has left from office and he is on the way.
Oh, you're coming back. Yeah, I know that.
Waiting for Imran Khan and I can see him. So Mr. Imran Khan is coming. How was your day?
Welcome back guys.
मैं पकड़ूँ तुम्हारा बैग?
No, I am good.
You're good? How was your day?
Welcome back to the blog, right?
So yeah,
So you
I'm
have
so
your solo.
tired.
What do you call solo day?
Solo date.
Solo date.
Yeah. अब क्या करना है? घर जाना है. We have firecrackers at 10 p.m.
So that's too late.
I know. Tomorrow we have office, so it's better to go home, right?
Both.
For both of us, yeah. So we are going home.
So we are going home. But we can have
I don't want to eat anything. वो जो खाया नहीं था हमने lunch में. I'm so full with that.
This is this summer stage.
But I'm very full with what we ate in lunch, so I don't want to eat anything.
Nothing.
ना तुम फ्रेम में ऐसे मुझे नहीं आते हो. मुझे ऐसे करना
I
पड़ता
am
है.
good. Oh, back here CN Tower.
Okay, let's go home now, okay? Let's see the train. What's the next train and let's go, okay?
This way.
So there's some